Good morning, everyone. Myself Supriya Ajpute. In this semester, we discuss about the second semester, Davangere University second semester, Unit 5, partial differentiation. In that one, problems on partial differentiation, finding the partial derivatives. If u is equal to log of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, show that del by del x plus del by del y plus del by del z whole square into u is equal to minus 9 divided by x plus y whole square. U is equal to this one. First find out del u by del x, del u by del y. Then add. We have got del by del x plus del by del y plus del z by del y. It is this one, right? Del u by del x, partial derivative of u with respect to x is log x differentiation is 1 by x, 1 divided by x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Into differentiation of this one is x cube differentiation 3x square, y cube is 0, z cube is also as 0, and minus 3 into x into y into z is x differentiation 1, 1 into y into z. With respect to x, y and z acts like a constant because u is a function of the three variables. In the same way, del u by del y is equal to same. In the same way, 1 divided by this x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz into x cube differentiation with respect to y is 0. Y cube differentiation 3y square plus z cube is 0 minus 3x 1 into z, 3xz. In the similar way, del u by del z is equal to 3z square minus 3xy whole divided by x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So del u by del x plus del u by del y plus del u by del z. This can be written as del by del x plus del by del y plus del by del z into u is equal to, adding the three terms of the right hand side, we have the denominators is same, therefore powers, the numerator can be added, and here in the numerator 3 is common, take 3 as common, 3 into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz whole divided by this term. This is equal to, this term can be written as x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. And these two terms get cancelled. We have 3 divided by x plus y plus z. This is del by del x plus del by del y plus del by del z into u. We require del by del z plus del by del y plus del by del z whole square into u. This can be written as del by del x plus del by del y plus del by del z into del u by del x plus del u by del y plus del u by del z. Del u by del x plus del u by del y plus del u by del z can be written as what? 3 divided by x plus y plus z, right? And operate the differential operator del by del x of 3 divided by x plus y plus z plus del by del y of 3 divided by x plus y plus z plus del by del z of 3 divided by x plus y plus z. Partial derivative with respect to x is, this is 1 divided by x plus y plus z is minus 1 divided by x plus y plus z whole square. So 3 is constant, minus 3 divided by 1 plus x plus y plus z whole square. Into differentiation of x plus y plus z is, x is 1 plus 0 plus 0, that is 1 only. So just I write this one. In the similar way, minus 3 divided by x plus y plus z whole square minus 3 divided by x plus y plus z whole square. And adding these, we have minus 9 divided by x plus y plus z whole square. This is the required result. Next, if x to the power of x, y to the power of y, z to the power of z is equal to c, show that at x is equal to y is equal to z, del square z by del x into del y is equal to minus of x into log ex to the power of minus 1. Given x to the power of x into y to the power of y into z to the power of z is equal to c, taking log on both sides, what we have? This is log m into n into some p. Log m plus log n plus log p is equal to this constant log c is 0. So here x to the power of x, log m to the power of n is n into log m. So therefore x into log x plus y into log y plus z into log z is equal to 0. Differentiating partially with respect to x. What we have? First function into differentiation of second function. First function into differentiation of second function log x is 1 by x plus second function log x into differentiation of first function x is 1 plus y log y, there is no x term is here, therefore this is 0 plus z into log z. Here this is a function of x. Here they didn't given some u is a function of 3 variables, just z is a function of x and y, 3, right? So therefore z is z into log z is 1 by z into del z by del x plus log z into z differentiation del z by del x is equal to 0. In these two terms, take del z by del x as common. We have z into 1 by z plus log z. That is x get cancelled. 1 plus log x plus 1 plus log z into del z by del x is equal to 0. Therefore, del z by del x is equal to, take this to right hand side, we have minus 1 plus log x divided by 1 plus log z. Right? Del z by del x is this one. Del z by del y is minus of 1 plus log y divided by 1 plus log z. Next, differentiating partially with respect to x. Del square z by del x into del y is equal to minus of 1 plus log y is a constant with respect to x. This is 1 divided by 1 plus log z differentiation is minus 1 divided by 1 plus log z whole square. Here another minus is minus into minus plus. And again here I write the minus due to, look here, again differentiation 1 plus log z, we have 0 plus log z differentiation 1 by z into del z by del x. Del z by del x is, this one is minus of 1 plus log x divided by 1 plus log z. This is, right? Therefore, minus sign is keep as it is. Next, since x is equal to y is equal to z, they have given. So, we have to replace that y and z by x. 1 plus log x into 1 plus log x is 1 plus log x whole square. And 1 plus log x whole square into 1 plus log x whole is 1 plus log x whole cube into x. This 1 plus log x whole square, and here in the cubic 1 plus log x square get cancelled. We have 1 divided by x into log 1 plus x into 1 plus log x. This is equal to minus of 1 divided by x into log ex. We can write as log ex because 1 can be written as log e to the base e. We have log m plus n is log n m into n log ex. So therefore minus into x plus log ex to the power of minus 1 is the result. Next, if v is equal to a into t to the power of 1 by 2 into e power minus x square into x square divided by 4a square into r, prove that del v by del t is equal to a square into del square v by del x square. So here, given v is equal to this one, del v by del x, first consider del v by del x, that is a partial derivative of the v with respect to x. We have a into t to the power of minus 1 by 2 is into e power minus x square. E power x differentiation is e power x only, I just write. Again, differentiation of this term. Minus 1 by 4a square into t is constant. X square differentiation is 2x. Then, del v by del x is equal to a into t to the power of minus 1 by 2 into e power minus x square divided by 4a square into t is, this is v. Therefore, minus 2x, 2 2's are 4 get cancelled. X into v divided by 2a square into t. Next, again differentiate this term with respect to x. What we have, del square v by del x square is equal to minus 1 by 2 a square into t into first function into differentiation of second function. That is, here I take v as a first function. V into differentiation of x as 1 plus x into differentiation of v is del v by del x. So del square v by del x square is equal to minus 1 divided by 2a square into t into v plus x into del v by del x is what? Minus xv divided by 2a square t. Just I write this one and take minus as common. Minus into minus is plus. V as common. V divided by 2a square t. Taking a LCM for this one, we have minus 2a square t, because taking minus as common here, minus 2a square t plus x square. V divided by this 2a square t multiplied with this one, we have 4a to the power of 4 into t square into minus 2a square t plus x to the x square. Consider this as equation, this value. Next, consider del v by del t. Del v by del t is a t to the power of minus 1 by 2. Here, look here, v is a into t to the power of minus 1 by 2 into e power minus x square divided by 4a square t. So, we have to differentiate with respect to t. What we have here, there is a t term and here also t term. First function into differentiation of second function, right? So, a into t to the power of 1 minus 1 by 2. Here e power x differentiation is e power x. E power minus x square divided by 4a square t into, so this differentiation is here t differentiation, 1 by t differentiation minus 1 by t square. X square divided by 4 a square into t square, right? Minus into minus plus get cancel. Plus a into t to the power of minus 1 by 2 differentiation minus 1 by 2 into t to the power of minus 3 by 2, right? Into e power minus x square divided by 4 a square into t, right? Next, a into t to the power of minus 1 by 2 e power minus x square divided by 4 a square t take as common. We have this term x square divided by 4 a square into t square minus 1 by 2t. This is here t to the power of minus 1 by 2. If you take common, here the remaining term is minus 1. T to the power of minus 1 is 1 by t, right? So this value is v. V divided by, here I take 4a square t square is as LCM. This becomes x square minus this one 2a square t, right? So del v by del t is equal to, look here, this term from equation 1 and 2, look here, the terms del square v by del x square. Here a square, a to the power of 4, a square into a square can be right, and shift this a square to this, a square into del square v by del x square is equal to this term. That is, this term is del v by del t, or del v by del t is equal to a square into del square v by del x square. Hence the result. Differentiation of homogeneous function. A function, first let me know about homogeneous function. A function f of x comma y is said to be a homogeneous function of x and y if the degree of each term is same. Thus, the equation is in the form of a naught x to the power of n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1 into y plus a2 x to the power of n minus 2 into y square plus so on up to a to the power of a n minus 1 into x into y to the power of n minus 1 plus a n into y to the power of n is a homogeneous function of x and y of degree n, where a0, a1, so on up to an are constants. Here, look at this equation. a0 x to the power of n, the degree n, n minus 1, and for this term, the degree is 1, n minus 1 plus 1 is n minus 2 plus 2 is n. In the same way, n minus 1 plus 1 is n, here n, homogeneous function. Look here and note, if f of x comma y is an algebraic function of two independent variables x and y, then the degree of every term is defined as the sum of the powers of the variables x and y in that term. A constant term is considered to be a degree 0. So this is the homogeneous equation. In this equation, x to the power of 1, take x to the power of n as common. What we have, a naught plus a1 into x to the power of, if we take this becomes 1 divided by x square, right? Therefore, y divided by x for this one. A naught y by x, y by x whole square. This term is what we call y, just y. Sorry, this is y. And there is an then y by x whole square. In the same way, this can be written as x to the power of n into f of y by x. This is a homogeneous function of degree n. Generally, if we test the function, given function is homogeneous or not, first we have to put x value as lambda x and y is equal to lambda y in the given equation, and we get the equations in the form of lambda n to the power of lambda to the power of n into f of x comma y. Then we call this function is of the degree n. Otherwise, it's not a homogeneous function if it is not comes in this way. Look here the example. Let f of x comma y is equal to x cube plus 3x square y minus y cube. Here of the degree 3, hence it's a homogeneous function of the degree 3. This can be easily we can see, but by the method, some functions we can't see. Look at this here, f of lambda x, from the method, put x by lambda x and y by lambda y in this given function. We have lambda x whole cube, lambda cube x cube plus 3 lambda square x square into y is lambda y minus lambda cube y cube. Take lambda cube on both sides as common, lambda cube into x cube plus 3x square into y minus y cube. So this is a function of y. Lambda cube into function of x comma y, right? Here, therefore, the f of x comma y is a homogeneous function of degree 3. Next, look here. By seeing this one, we can't find out the degree. So, using that steps to find the homogeneous functions, it is very easy. Look here. What I have told, we have to put x by lambda x and y by lambda y in the given equation. We have f of lambda x comma lambda y is equal to square root of lambda y plus square root of lambda x divided by lambda y plus lambda x. In the numerator, take lambda common. In the denominator, take lambda. Lambda can be written as root lambda into root lambda. 1 lambda cancel from the numerator. 1 divided by root lambda. Root lambda can be written as in the numerator lambda to the power of minus 1 by 2. So then into lambda y plus lambda x divided by y plus x. So f of lambda x comma lambda y can be written as lambda to the power of minus 1 by 2 into f of x comma y. That is, this is a function of degree minus 1 by 2. Right? So, look here. So, consider a function f of x comma y is equal to sine of x cube plus y cube divided by x plus y. This is the function. Put x, replace x by lambda x and y by lambda y in this function. F of lambda x comma lambda y is equal to sine of x, replace x by lambda x, lambda cube x cube plus lambda cube y cube divided by lambda x plus lambda y. F of lambda x comma lambda y is equal to sine of, take lambda cube as common from the numerator and lambda from the denominator. 1 lambda get cancelled. We have lambda square into x cube plus y cube divided by x plus y. This is, now look here, we can't write this function of lambda x comma lambda y as lambda square into f of x comma y, right? Therefore, it's not a homogeneous function. Thank you.